gotta be more.
Yeah.
That's the armory car.
Oh my god, shit! Guys, look box! Look box!
This storm's getting bad. I've got sand in my eyes, and there's highway. Get to the river.
Watch out! Barnes!
Fingers off those triggers. Let's see what they want.
Well, Merry fucking Christmas, everybody. Santa delivered a whole damn train full of presents.
What do we have here?
Rabbits.
Ooh.
But 2 bullets right there, bam, blam.
I gotta ask you rabbits a question. The fuck you think was gonna happen?
Riding in on a giant hunk of iron, just clouds of black smoke.
You think we wouldn't notice?
What do you want?
Barnes?
We want to know if you're problem solvers or problem makers.
What?
Our pops always told us that people either solve problems or make problems.
The world's got too many fucking problems.
And we're looking for people to help solve problems. Our problems. If you're a problem solver, we got you covered. Food, clothes, guns. Anything you need. Even health insurance.
Yeah, I could count.
But if you make problems, well, Pops taught us what to do with problem makers.
Problem makers need to be solved.
Old man solved a shit ton of problems in his day.
Hell yeah!
So, rabbits. Are you all problem solvers or problem makers?
I was basically the one
We
that
solve
did
problems.
everything to his
We've been
land.
solving problems all over this country.
Barnes.
We can give you fresh water, build shelters. We can get you anything you need.
Barnes, shut up!
You can build all that?
Well, not me. But Rush here.
Well, then you
They can build everything.
are gonna be our #1 problem solver.
Go fuck yourself.
Number 1. Oh, yep, now your problem. Now you're gonna eliminate.
Okay.
Bro, why can't he shut up, bro? He's not playing for survival. God damn.
You done? So,
Why him?
let's try this again. You gonna help solve problems for us, Mr. Rush?
Yep. Yep. Yep, not me. Oh, and she's looking at me.
Okay.
Calm down. Perfect.
Save yourself!
Not gonna lie, that's Al. That's all he's for. They should just gave me an option with that shit, man.
Hey,
Could've been like that.
hey, wake up, wake up.
I would probably make this way better.
I recognize you from the train. You're captain of security, right? I'm Carmina. Oh my god, I saw you hit the water and I was able to pull you out before you drowned, but near as I can tell, I think we're the only ones who got away.
Oh, wow.
Come on. Okay. We have to be careful. twins, they took off with Rush, but a lot of the highwaymen, they stuck around. Okay, we have to get back to Hope County. My mom, she'll know what to do. Come on.
Hope County? I haven't been there. What is that? Oh, it's a mole rat.
Fucking twins, Nikki and Lou.
They look cute.
The first time I saw them was when they came to our house.
Oh, they're terrible. Like him, what did he do? Ooh, stupid. Y'all take that over nothing. Look at you stupid.
Rush. You can use benches like this to build make. Nice going. That'll be enough to craft a weapon for sure.
Oh, I guess we have to.
Holy shit, is that man? Those highwaymen are in for it now. Shut up, I'm busy. We're supposed
Another one.
Come on, we're almost there. There it is.
Oh, wow.
Home. I hope Mom is okay.
Prosperity. Yay. What did that take to make?
Carmina! Oh, thank God. I was so worried.
Mom,
Everybody need fingerless gloves?
Kids, go back inside. I'll be right there. What's wrong?
there is a whole train full of people to help us. But the highwaymen, the twins, they took Rush. Everyone else was killed.
Oh my God.
It was terrible.
On me,
I'm so sorry.
When I get back.
I'm so sorry.
I never should have gone out there, Mom.
Oh, honey.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, no one's coming to help us. We're on our own.
Yeah,
It's just us.
Shh. Let's get you both inside. You can tell me the whole story.
Thank you
Maybe you get
for
a
bringing
truck
her
built.
home.
Part 1. Yeah, this game's weird already. What time is it? Also.
All right, guys. You know how to handle a gun. You know your way around this valley better than anybody.
So?
So? Sitting around moping isn't doing any good. Look, Rush was supposed to help us build someplace safe. Now, it's up to us. There are brave people here scattered around. We just have to find them.
Bring everyone together. Show them we can stand up to the highwaymen.
It's almost like...
Mom, it's not gonna be easy.
I know,
Like a different...
but it's our only choice.
Maybe like 6 years later. So it's almost like Far Cry 5. You really reusing
Working my ass
same,
off
like,
here, but it feels worth it.
Hello, sir.
So, this is it. Home. Mom's right. The two of us can work together to build this place back up. Anytime you need a hand, give me a call. I'll come fight by your side, Cap. You don't mind if I call you Cap, right? Captain of Security just sounds, well, a little formal. Listen, you have been put through the ringer. If you want to freshen up with a change of clothes before we get started, there's some stuff over there.
Ooh, yep. Haircut
You should
position.
probably
What's that
talk
at?
to Mom. She'll give you the rundown on what we can do for Prosperity.
Whatever else happens, I'm glad Carmina made it back.
I don't care. Where's the clothing at?
Any materials we find, we put to good use.
Yeah.
May not look pretty, but it's our safety that matters most.
So much food for thought, it's like a feast. Working my ass off here, but it feels worth it.
Little, like a Rambo. That's,
There's gotta be other places in the world that are doing as well as we are.
My name is Kim. I guess you could say I run things around here. I know you've already been through a lot, Captain. This is Prosperity. If we're gonna have a fighting chance against the highwaymen, the first thing we've got to do is get this place up and running.
oh.
We have several facilities to make Prosperity thrive. These are the places where you can craft weapons and vehicles, cultivate plants for health, and many other things.
So
I
big.
don't know why they just didn't.
This
just
is
slide
Hope
off.
County. In order to get the most out of our facilities, we need ethanol to upgrade them. Your map shows the highwaymen outposts, where they store the ethanol they stole from us. Secure these locations to get what we need. And here's where you can find specialists. People with the expertise to really give us a fighting chance against the twins. Bring them home, and they'll make Prosperity and you stronger. But without Thomas Rush, none of this is gonna work. He's built up settlements before, and without his knowledge, we won't be able to take Prosperity to the next level. Lately, the twins are sending a lot of prisoners to their coal mine. I'd start looking there.
Coal mine.
So
What do you mean
that's
coal
it.
mine?
We rescue Rush, find people who can run the facilities, and bring them enough ethanol to maximize what we can craft.